guests on the dais, fellow awardees, ladies and gentlemen, and kids. Hi. Thank you. I feel very underaccomplished after seeing a lot of the awardees over here tonight who are truly the heroes of our country. We just get told what to do and we do it quietly.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
So to exhibit my great talent, I will give half my speech from here and then the second half. So thank you very much. I'm very honored and I'm very happy to be sharing this dais over here. And yes, thank you. And to Vidya, Baman and Bebo, since my fellow actors, be prepared. It's a bit slippery in the middle, so when you have to run across, just be a bit careful. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's really an honor. Thank you.
Honorable Governor, distinguished guests on stage, special guests present here and KCItes. It's such an honor to be present here today and to receive the KC Diamond League Award. My father is actually an alumnus of KC College. He did his law from KC College. So I'm very proud to be standing here today. And all I can say is that whenever we had debates during Malhar, KCItes would win it hand down. So I'm just feeling very proud that today I'm on the other side. No, congratulations to the entire KC College family. I accept this award very humbly and I want to congratulate all the other award winners tonight. What else can I say? I'm doing my little bit and I'm receiving encouragement from all quarters. I hope to continue to do my bit and I urge all of you to step out and do your bit. Thank you. Receiving an award is always special and मुझे ये award खास इसीलिए दिया गया है for the work I have done in the area of sanitation. So I just feel humble because it didn't require much on my part, but I feel encouraged by this award and especially to have received it amongst very distinguished winners this evening. It feels very special. उनके मुकाबले तो लगता है कि मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है, पर हाँ शुरुआत की है. मैं यही कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं आगे भी not only sanitation पर इस एरिया में काम करती रहूँ. I'll try and do the best I can. I graduated from St. Xavier's College and I've done my BA from St. Xavier's, after which I also went on to do my MA. And it feels very good, you know, during Malhar we used to compete with KC College. So that's what I was saying up on stage, that it feels nice to be, you know, we used to be the hosts for Malhar and here I'm being hosted. And I'm receiving an award from KC College, so that's a nice feeling.
Vidya, as you said that your dad is from KC College, so you're feeling so proud that you came here for an award. What do you want to say?
My dad did his law from KC College, so I feel extremely proud to have received an award from the institution that he is an alumnus of. And I wish he was here today, but he had some other commitments. So yeah, he was from one of the first batches of KC College, almost 60 years ago.
Would you in Bollywood like to go back and do a movie where it revolves around the college life and you playing a college student?
Oh, most definitely. I think I'd have to play a slightly older college student now because I'm no longer 19. But I'd love to do a a film based in college. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
मैं अपने आप को बड़ा सम्मानित समझ रहा हूं आज ये पुरस्कार पाके. जैसा कि मैं थोड़ी देर पहले आपको बता रहा था कि मेरे जीवन में इस कॉलेज का एक खास महत्व है, क्योंकि मेरे पास वो डिग्री नहीं थी जिससे कि मैं क्वालिफाई कर पाता पूना फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए, क्योंकि मैं पहले ही साल में दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी छोड़ के भाग गया था और यहां मुंबई में एक रेस्टोरेंट में काम करता था मैं। और जब पूना इंस्टीट्यूट जाने का वक्त आया तो जो इंटरमीडिएट की डिग्री थी वो मेरे पास थी नहीं, तो केसी कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया था 1972 में। 40 साल बाद मैं इस कॉलेज में आया हूं आज, और यहीं से इंटरमीडिएट की डिग्री मैं ज्यादा पढ़ नहीं पाया, क्योंकि रेस्टोरेंट में काम करते वक्त थोड़ा वक्त मिलता था, बीच में भाग के आके अटेंडेंस लगवा लेता था अपनी। एक आध हमारे टीचर थे, उनको कभी कभार वहां से अच्छा सा खाना लाके दे देता था। तो इस तरह से पढ़ाई पूरी की यहां से मैंने। और जब हेमा जी का फोन आया मेरे पास और उन्होंने पूछा और बताया कि ये पुरस्कार मुझे यहां दिया जा रहा है, तो बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ। मैंने कहा कि चलो देख के आए अपना कॉलेज कैसा है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत सम्मानित महसूस कर रहा हूं आप सबों को। और मेरी ये उम्मीद है कि जिस तरह से हमारा कॉलेज पिछले 60 वर्षों में एक ऊंचाई पे पहुंचा है और बहुत सारे लाखों लोगों के जीवन में प्रकाश दिया है, वो सिलसिला जारी रहे, हम और आगे बढ़े और ऊंचा उठे। धन्यवाद।
First time in my life that I'm actually nervous receiving an award. Film functions are a lot more easier. So many esteemed and distinguished guests. I actually feel I don't deserve this right now, but thank you so much. And getting an award at a film function, like I said, is something that we're used to. But getting an award from such a glorious institution like KC College is. But I think what is most humbling is like what Baman said, that I think it should have been given at least to me 20 years later. But either ways, thank you for all the love and all the warmth.